Could be wrong, but yeah.
I guess we'll give them the benefit of the doubt.
Exactly.
We'll have them come back one more time.
Let's see if we get another armed robbery at this bail bondsman.
Right.
Oh, they do investigations.
Oh, do they?
Yeah, it says first assured investigations right there.
Oh, yeah. It does. Oh, that's a pretty one.
So there's two people in there, one right up the front and one further back on the same side. Uh-oh. Here he comes. Oh, here he comes. That is a cool looking dog.
You just wasted the only one you had. Sorry, man.
I guess I don't get why you guys are recording our location.
Look at your good looking dog. Yeah.
Didn't it?
It is a good looking dog. Hi, puppy.
Like your building or business exempt from all video capturing devices.
Right. I'm just waiting to see if he picks up his phone.
Turn our dash cams off when we drive by and
Right.
such. Weird that he would think that. I can see. She's wearing a Dunder Mifflin shirt.
Huh.
Nothing says I'm an Office fan like Dunder Mifflin.
Right. Well, he didn't pick up his phone, so that's a good thing. Firestoner.
Yep, Firestoner. Man, I wish that wind would go away.
Right. It's a little bit better right here than it was.
Yeah, it's not that bad. Let's see.
Oh, well, we got to check and make sure all the laptops are off and closed.
Right.
Since there's a line of cars here to look at. Yep, that one's missing his laptop. That one says Fraternal Order of Police, so that's a member. Their private vehicle. Huh? Yeah. Oh, this must be the jail part. See the tiny windows? Wonder if we can see anything through those windows. Looks like it. Yeah. Yep, sure can. Oh, yeah?
Yeah. He's talking to somebody. Yeah.
Oh, this is their property room, it looks like.
Yeah, there's a deputy sitting here and somebody to the left that I can't see.
Oh, yeah.
See him?
Yep. Did he see you?
No.
No?
No, he did not see me.
Huh.
There's a handsome fella right here.
Oh, he just saw me.
Here's a handsome guy. Oh man, you can clean his window. You can't get a pretty shot of that thing.
He goes like this, straightening everything out.
That one right there. That one. Command office. This is the command office.
Huh. He doesn't look too happy. That one guy, he looked and stared for a second. And then the other guy leaned over the desk and stared for a second. And then the guy that you saw leaned forward and adjusted everything to make sure it was perfect with a grin on his face. So I give him a thumbs up.
Nice.
Hi! Hey, it doesn't say we can't walk up here. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah, taller garage door.
Must have been there.
Wow. Take your window. Is somebody in it? Or is it on?
Yeah.
Huh.
Open and on.
Yeah, that wind is horrible. Kukluski? Is that how you say it? I think that's how you say it. Did I say that right? Kukluski?
Kukluski. He's got 3 K's in his name. I bet he's racist.
How do you say your name? Okay, I did say it right. Cool. Something like that. I don't know, he wouldn't roll down his window, so.
Right. Man, that wind. Woo!
Mm-hmm.
That's good. That knocked me over.
Right? Yeah, blowing strong, that's for sure. Oh, excuse me. Oops, Huh. These are all that have been lost in the area, I guess. I don't see any signs.
No, I don't either. I don't even see MCR. You got 115 over
Right.
somewhere.
Where are you at?
Huh?
Where are you at?
Who are you?
Where are you?
Who are you?
He's VANAS.
Huh?
He's VANAS.
Badass.
Yeah,
Who are you?
VANAS.
Oh, okay.
It's
Who are
against
you?
the law to film in the county building.
What's that?
Judge's order about filming in the county building, so you have to quit filming.
Oh, really?
In
Where?
Muskegon County?
Why do you not have it posted anywhere?
County
No
ordinance.
need to.
Can you tell me the county ordinance? So I can look it up.
It's a judge's order.
Oh,
Judge's
that
order.
means inside the building, yeah, inside there.
You're
yeah.
inside the building.
Oh, okay, I got you. So not allowed to be in the best.
Are you sure that doesn't only
Are you
include
gonna turn
the?
those cameras
I'm
off?
gonna step outside.
Yeah. You should read MCR 8.115 because that goes against the rules. That judge's order is against the rules.
Judge's order not film anywhere where you have interaction with county employees. That would be like anybody who works here. Turn the cameras off.
And that would be a constitutional violation.
My
No,
constitutional
because in
right.
the courthouse, people come in here to do
Yeah, but
things,
I'm not in there right now.
and they have the right. Yeah, that's because they just told you to leave.
Yeah, but I'm not here now.
Clearly, you guys are just looking for.
Which is an
No, you're
unlawful
incorrect, sir.
request,
Do you-
actually.
No, it's
I'm
not.
not.
Yeah, it goes against
I'm
the
not going to argue
Constitution.
with you. All right, county building's closed.
I'm not recording you,
Oh, it's
dude.
We're
closed?
done.
What a
Oh, you're
dickhead.
done being a dickhead? Okay.
Yeah, he don't even know what MCR
Smell you later,
115
asshole.
is. He
I
said,
said smell you later, asshole.
Yeah.
Are you deaf?
Apparently you are.
No, you are.
I've talked to you before. We'll find somebody else.
Go choke on a bag of what? He hasn't talked to me before. What the fuck is he talking about? What an idiot.
Yeah, I told you they wouldn't let us in the courthouse.
So they have a local judge's order.
I can record the same thing from here.
A local judge's order. I want to see the order. They don't have it posted.
No, it's not, but it's online. We have to look online. They're only required to post it online, apparently.
Well, that's a crock of shit. They need to post it on the door.
Right? That's what I thought too.
Now that guy moved because I was recording him.
Oh, okay.
So you should go over there and make sure you record him. They're moving around.
Yeah, on the boat right here.
You haven't talked to me before, douchebag. You're incorrect. You want to record me going in there? I'll shut my camera off and go in there. So I paused my video.
RUM certified.
And I even showed the
Are
douchebag
you MCOs certified? Are you a cop?
that my video was
Are
paused.
you a cop?
And he screamed
Are
in
you
my, he
MCO
stomped right up to
certified?
my
Yes or
face
no?
and screamed. You'll have to go over to
can't hear you.
Spanky's channel
Are you
to watch
MCO
that part.
certified? Yes or no?
Because I showed Spanky that I paused my video. And I just got like 2 feet into that door.
Dude, he
and
come
that
out like
deputy
a bear,
come out
dude.
like a fucking jeez, man. That was crazy. I even showed him it was paused.
Yeah.
And I wasn't recording.
Yeah, he still threw you out.
Wow. Glad I got his name.
Yeah, we gotta, for sure file a complaint on him.
Absolutely. That was absolutely absurd.
He's out of control.
Yeah, he is. Wanting to arrest me
Here,
for
take-
walking
take,
in there.
Take this and let's see. Take that from that. Hold on.
Wait a minute. You might get arrested. He said the building's closed.
I got no camera. Can I come in? I got no camera. Is it closed? What time? 4:30? And it's after? What time is it?
I have no idea. I got my hands full.
It's after 4:30.
Is
I
it?
get off work at 4:30.
Okay, thank you.
After 4:30.
There you go.
Cool.
All right. Yeah. So,
I want a copy of that judge's order.
absolutely. I can't believe he did that. Which it's not.
Of course it's not. That's just another lawsuit, statutory control.
There's another one.
Yeah.
I can't believe how angry that dude was. And he's trying to say he's seen me before, but he hasn't.
Right, yeah.
I've never been here.
Yeah, it's been 3 years since I've been here, or longer.
Jeez. That was nuts.
That guy was crazy, yo.
He was absolutely off the chain.
Your ass, dude.
Attorney's right here.
I thought he was going to whip your ass.
I thought he was getting ready to jump me. For sure.
Yeah, I did too.
That was crazy.
These Muskegon County cops, man. Muskegon cops are out of control, dude.
That was nuts, man. Where's the damn entrance to the sheriff's department? Inside the court building? Where you can't get to it?
Right. He was super mad, yo.
Yeah, he was.
He was super mad.
Absolutely.
Mad. See, at least they got pins on their stuff.
Oh, you still see him right there.
Yeah. Hi. Yeah, you can see him.
Yeah. She waves and then she throws her hands up. It's interesting. She's trying to talk to me like I can hear her or something, but I can't hear her. It's kind of goofy.
That dude was completely unhinged, dude.
Yeah, he was.
That's why I walked out, man. I'm like, nope, I'm not going through another Calhoun County.
Right.
Oh, number
Oh,
one.
look, you're number one. Isn't that cute?
I'm number one, she said. That's awesome.
Well, at least she's saying it with a smile on her face.
Yeah, I want to be a number one.
Right?
I really do.
Yeah. Cool. That was nuts, man.
You know he's not a cop. You know he's not MCO certified. He gets so ready to go hands-on with somebody being stuck at that security point all
Yep.
day. He just wants to go hands-on with somebody. It's dangerous.
Yeah, it's
There's no
440.
way- There's no way that guy's got a MCO certification.
Right.
Absolutely no way.
So it's 10 minutes past closing time right now.
Now, yeah.
It was maybe 2 minutes past when we walked up there. It's probably right on time, actually.
Last closing time when we walked up.
Yeah, it might have been still open
Yeah, it might have been, yeah.
for another minute or
You
two.
didn't say nothing about the closed. Well, you did say it's closed after a minute.
Yeah.